Welcome back to the worst internet reviewer ever, season 4, episode 3. And what we have today is a Pumpkinhead from Shipyard Brewing Company out of Portland, Maine. From what I understand, it's a 4.5% ABV. Never had one of these. I saw it reviewed by other people. But once again, I'm the worst reviewer ever, and you'll see why in a minute. So let's open this. I can open it with a bottle opener and it's a twist off. So there's a start for you. How you doing? So let's get it into a glass. Pour it heavy. I'll probably have to stop there. Won't get the whole bottle in there. She pours clear, golden color. Clear as a whistle. Looks like a lager. Poured with a 4-finger head because I hit it heavy. So we'll let that settle down a minute here, and then we'll get a sniff on it and get back to you in a minute here. Alright, I'll let that head settle a minute. Went down to like a 2-finger head. And like I say, this is crystal clear. I bet it was filtered of some sort. It's very clear, like a lager. So here on with the smell. Probably snort it up the nose as I normally do. Oh, it smells pumpkin pie-ish. So it is a pumpkin head. So you get a pumpkin smell. That's a good one. So I'm going to go on with the taste test. That's all I'm really smelling is pumpkin, a little whipped cream type, like a Thanksgiving pumpkin pie. On with the taste. Pumpkin-y, spicy. Some of the spices you put in pumpkin pie, allspice. Like I say, it smells clean. Another taste first. Light body. Very light body. Very pleasurable on the pumpkin and the spicy taste. It's not very heavy. You don't get a lot of cinnamon, although the cinnamon is probably in there. Light on the pumpkin spice, light on the pumpkin taste. Way better than that pumpkin from Southern Tier. Way better. This is very enjoyable. Very light. Like I say, light-bodied. I don't get much out of it. I don't get a good taste bud on there, but that's why I'm the worst reviewer ever. So I'm going to sit back and enjoy this. Is it on a scale of 1 to 10? I'm going to give it a 6.5, maybe a 7 out of a 10. The cleanliness, clearness, easy drinking, low body, low mouthfeel, something like that, whatever that means. How you doing? And good carbonation. I would probably buy it again. This time of the year, it is time for pumpkin beers as we get to the end of August here. Very good beer. Very light. I'd put it over the Southern Tier beer any day of the week. So, but it's a decent beer. I gave it a 6.5 or something, maybe a 7, someplace in there. Change my mind all the time. So I came back and poured another one. Now I'm getting a little taste of a little bit of vanilla. A little bit of vanilla taste. Could be vanilla bean, or could be just extract. A little cinnamon taste, a little bit. But everything is pretty well balanced in this beer compared to that Southern Tiers that I gave that a crappy rating on the pumpkin. That's still one of my worst beers. Like I said, would I buy it again? Definitely. I'm on my second one, enjoying it. 4.2%. It goes down pretty good. Once again, how you doing?
Home sweet home, the little nest, where after work a man can rest, or take a peaceful stroll outdoors, doing little simple chores.
Weed the garden, cut the grass, paint the window, fix the glass, trim the shrubbery, grind the axe. But take it easy, dear. Relax.
Oh, these little women have a way, but maybe I forgot to say, she always has my favorite brand, Carling's Black Label beer on hand.
What a happy thought, hey, Mabel, a great idea, Black Label. Nothing too good for good company, Carling's Black Label beer. The quality brew at the popular price. Enjoy the best, take our advice. Get Carling's Black Label, Carling's Black Label beer. Mabel, Black Label, Carling's Black Label.